Alright everyone, my name is Nicole. Let's go ahead and dive into my task tool matrix. Just to give you some background about the tools I selected, I would like to be a general education teacher for upper elementary. So mostly my tools are low and mid-tech, and I chose these tools keeping in mind ways to support ELL and SPED students, UDL, tools that I could use for instructional software, and different learning styles. The task that I was focused on when I was selecting my tools was reading, writing, and typing, listening or lecture time, math, assessment, and attention. Since you have access to my tools, I decided just to list some of my favorite low and mid-tech tools that I selected. My favorite low-tech tools are highlighters, pictures or visuals, graphic organizers, whiteboards and whiteboard markers, just larger text on worksheets or on web pages and clipboards. I love that with highlighters you can use it for reading, for math, on assessments. I think highlighters are so simple yet the most universal tool. Favorite mid-tech tools are audiobooks, text-to-speech, Google Read, and Write Word Prediction, talking calculators, Google Drawings, GoNoodle, and Personal FM listening. I have an Audible account which is audiobooks, and I love listening to books that either I read as a child or I'm reading now as an adult. So I definitely think I'll utilize audiobooks and my Audible account into my classroom. I definitely feel more prepared to use assistive technologies into my lesson planning and in my future classroom, and I'm really excited to learn about more tools that are out there, and I hope you are too.